Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to put your name on lock screen on Techno phone, just like this. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my settings right here, just like so. Then it's going to open up like this. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down. Then you have to navigate to security right here. Click on security, just like so. It takes you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon right here. Then it takes you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on lock screen message. Then you can enter your name right here. So I'm going to enter my name. Just like so. Once you're done, next thing you want to do is to click on save right here. Successfully saved. So by the time I lock my screen like this, and I'm trying to access back to the phone, you will see that my name has written successful on the screen of the phone, just like what you see right here. So you can see it right here. You can see my name right here. So basically, this is how to put your name on the screen of any Android phone without any stress. I hope you really got value from this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.